Hi y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Well, packing up the Messy Studio. That one cabinet's nearly empty and packed up. Those cabinets, or those shelves, are mostly packed. Still have a few items for big boxes. Those are packed. Unless you know what this really looked like in here, and these are packed. Unless you know what these really, that was full. That's all packed. Unless you know what this looked like before, you'd think I didn't have anything done. But trust me, I got a lot done. So that's it. I still have to sweep all my shavings up and clean the garage out once we get everything loaded up. This is the part of moving I hate. Well, moving into the new shop. Don't have much in here yet. Bringing stuff in. Not real sure where we're going to put everything just yet. But this is only one load. Second load's coming off the truck right now. So it's coming together, but I'm not able to do anything yet. As you can see, there's no lathe in here. No table saw, no bandsaw. Those are coming. But we're getting there. New shop, bigger, 812 square feet. It's amazing how fast it's going to fill up. Got everything in. My table saw. Don't have everything where it needs to go yet. I'm making you dizzy. Got my big lathe in. Drill press and bandsaw are where they're going to go. Hadn't figured out where I'm going to put the MIDI yet. I've still got a lot of stuff to sort through and put away, but we're getting there. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And come back to the Messy Studio and see what we're up to. You never know what's going to happen around here. Always something. Y'all have a good one.